In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install mods in WorldBot AZ Aftermath. Check my video description for this mod list. Choose the mod you like to install. For this tutorial, I'm gonna install this black and white Kimiko skin. Go to the description of the mod. Here you can able to see the mod installation. For this mod, I'm gonna guide you guys. Download the mod and right click on the mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now I click on the game and select open file location. Open game folder and open this en underscore us client preload packs. Find shared underscore textures. Right click and select open with WinRAR. So if you are new, then it will not show. Select this, choose another app and select choose an app on your PC. Go to search menu and type WinRAR. Right click on the app and select open file location. Copy this file path and then paste it in this file path and press enter. Select the WinRAR application and select open. Select the WinRAR and select just once. And now this file opens up. Go to textures, characters. Right click on blank area and select add files to archive and select downloads. You need to extract this folder. I click on the mod and select WinRAR and select extract to. Once extract done, minimize this and open the extracted folder. Open main and select all the files inside the main folder and select open. It's gonna add the files into this. Select OK option. We have successfully dropped the file. Once you've done this, just go back, close stuff here, and right click on the shared textures base.pak and select open with and select WinRAR. Open textures, characters. Right click on blank area and select add file to archive. Go to downloads and open the extracted folder, and this time open the base and select all the files inside the base and select OK. Add and replace files. Make sure it is selected and select OK. Once you've done this, close stuff here and we have successfully installed the mod. Now you can launch the game. Once you are in game, go to co-op campaign, offline, customize, go to appearance, choose the Kimiko. In an outfits, you can able to see we have successfully installed the mod. There are two outfits that has changed, 1 and 2. This one looks good. Uh, Once you select the outfit, you can enjoy the game using this character. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.